In Excel, sometimes you want to display zero values as an empty cell. To do that, hide value. To change an entire workbook, select File, Options, Advanced. Uncheck the box for Show a zero in cells that have zero value, and then select OK. To change a single cell, select it, then select Format, Format Cells. Select Number, Custom, and scroll to find the value starting with 0, semicolon. Press OK to hide the value. To display a hidden value in a single cell, select it. Then with the Number Format pull-down, choose General. You got it!